built-in lithium-ion battery, we do get, it's obviously spelled wrong, but we do get high-quality amplified sound. I'll let you know if that's the case in a minute. And this does work over Bluetooth 3.0. And it also has a sucking disc bracket, also known as a suction cup. Inside of the box, you do get the small user manual, which tells you how to pair it. And you also get this white micro USB cable for charging the speaker. Then if we take a quick look at the speaker itself, here's what it looks like. So it does look a little bit like a mushroom. We have eyes here, which do act as volume buttons, so volume up and down. There's also a microphone built into the speaker, so you can use this for speakerphone calls, but I will say right now that it is very terrible. I made a few tests with it, and the audio quality from the microphone is absolutely bad, so if you're picking this up for the sake of being able to use this for speakerphone calls, I would not recommend you getting it for that. To turn it on, you just press and hold the button on the top, and it will eventually turn on. You can see the activity lights on the bottom. Now that the lights are flashing, that means it is in pairing mode. So if we take our mobile device, so in this case it's an iPhone, let's go into settings and turn the Bluetooth on. And the device you'll want to connect to is called BT-280, right there. So it is currently pairing with this speaker. And we are now connected. So you can immediately begin to play audio. And I'll go ahead and play a few samples. So I finally found a neutral song to go ahead and play for this demo, and I'll go ahead and start it using the button on the top of the speaker. That's not only the power button, but it's also the pause and play button. So the best thing to do, because the volume is controlled by both your device you're playing from as well as the speaker itself, is to turn the volume all the way up on your smartphone or other mobile device that you're playing from, and on the speaker you can adjust the volume there. Or you can just leave the volume maxed out on the speaker and then adjust it using your smartphone. So to actually adjust the audio through the speaker itself, you just have to hold the left eye to go down in volume. And the other eye to increase the volume. When you're maxed out, it will make beeps like that. Otherwise, the eyes are used for going to the next track or going to the previous one. So as far as audio quality goes, it's really not that bad for the $16. This little thing can get quite loud, and it does have a little bit of bass to it, so it doesn't sound too tinny of a device. As mentioned earlier, there is a suction cup on the bottom, so you can securely mount this to flat surfaces such as maybe your car dash or the back of your smartphone. So in this case, we'll try it with the 6 Plus, and you now have a smartphone stand like that.